let me do the pronouns, my friend. They stand for nouns and never end. First person's I and we, that's me. Second is you, as plain as can be. Third person steps in with he, she, and they, helping us talk every single day. Subjects take the lead, they're strong and fine. I, we, you, and we start the line. But objects wait, they're here to please. Me, us, him, and her, if you please. They and them, oh what a pair, helping us point to people everywhere. First person is where the speaker resides. I for one, and we when they're sides. As subjects, we take a starring role, but as objects, me and us fill the goal. We talk about ourselves in every way. In the song of English we always stay. Subjects take the lead, they're strong and fine. I, we, you, and we start the line. But objects wait, they're here to please. Me, us, him, and her, if you please. They and them, oh what a pair, helping us point to people everywhere. Second person is simple, it's you, my dear. For subjects and objects, it's always clear. You stands alone, no need to change. In singular or plural, it's in the same range. It's the listener's turn to step in line and keep this pronoun groove divine. Third person talks about others you see, with he and she or it, and they so free. Subjects up front, objects behind. Him, her, it, and them you'll find. It's a story of who and where and what. The third person's power ties the knot. Subjects take the lead, they're strong and fine. I, we, you, and he start the line. But objects wait, they're here to please. Me, us, him, and her, if you please. They and them, oh what a pair, helping us point to people everywhere. So sing of pronouns loud and true. They help us talk to me and you. From I to they and we to them, pronouns are our grammar gem.